If you're working in Australia as a doctor on provisional registration and you have completed your 47 weeks of work in Australia and now you want to apply for the general registration, so this video is for you and I will explain all the approach step by step. First of all, log into your AHPRA account. After login, it will take you to home page, and the home page it is saying if you want to change the status of your registration, for example from provisional to general registration, so you have to click on the manage registration. Once you will click on the manage registration, it will take you to the next page. You have to apply transition to the general registration or specialist. So you will click on this link and this link will take you to next page, which is explaining all the steps which you have to do. You have to answer these questions. You have to read these questions one by one and answer these questions correctly. The circumstances could be changed for everyone. Have you completed the period of observation of supervision training? Yes. And next button. Now they are saying based on your answer you are eligible for the general registration. You will click on the apply button, and after clicking over here you will click the next button. Okay, and then they will show you the privacy statement. You have to read the privacy statement and then you have to accept next button. Then they will show your details over here, your residential address they will show you, and then they will show you the principal place of practice as well. You have to check either they have mentioned all the information correctly. Eligible for registration, read this if you want and click on the next button. Then recency of practice, yes, and next button. Then overseas criminal record, everything that is important. CPD, you have to select which CPD home you got. I got CPD Australia, and you will click on the next button. Okay, and after that criminal history check, and then they will check the international criminal history check. And next button, very simple question. You have to read these questions and self-explanatory, and you will select just next button. Exposure prone procedures, impairment, whatever circumstances suitable for you, you have to answer this question. Then disclosure, you have to read all the questions. These are very important, so you have to answer all these questions correctly. Okay, and then it will take you to the next page, registration period. Then they are saying as I got my registration on the 20th of the January, so in the same way I will select start date 20th of the January 2026. So then they are asking either some third party is involved, no third party involved. Then you have to answer all these questions. You have to confirm, you have to agree with them. Next button. And application summary, if you want to check your application you can, otherwise go. So this is important. The payment is very important. For the application, your total fee is $1,579. Application fee is $521. Registration fee is $1,058. So overall $1,579 is the fee of your general registration application. Okay, and you have completed all these steps. Now we are going for the payment. After the payment they are showing congratulations, payment is successful. Okay, then you will just do submit, and after that you have to upload 2 documents on your portal. One is the letter of recommendation from your hospital, the other one is Reg 30. I will show you these forms. So first form is Reg 30. When we will open this form you can see the Reg 30, and on the form your details will be given, your assignment period will be given, and your total hour will be given. Then your principal supervisor details, you have to signature all these boxes. You and your supervisor have to do the signature in all of these boxes, please keep in mind. And the end of the application you and your supervisor will do the signature as well. So the second form is basically letter of recommendation from your hospital. Once you complete 47 weeks they have mentioned everything. So my name is there, then they have mentioned the AHPRA registration, provisional registration for us was working here, then they have mentioned I have the everything, and they have mentioned the rotations as well. They will mention your leaves, your sick leaves and other leaves, everything will be mentioned in your letter. Completed 47 weeks, and then you will go onto the same portal of AHPRA, and we have to select the upload document. Okay, we will select the upload document connection over here, and then we have to do what? We have to confirm, agree with these terms and condition, and then online upload form. We have to select the profession, we are medical, and after selecting this we are applying for the registration. Okay, you can read this. You have to upload this type of the form. I am uploading in PDF. Click on the upload file, and once you will click you have to select one of the files. You can see letter of recommendation is uploaded. Upload the next Reg 30, and you can see here Reg 30, letter of recommendation, both are uploaded. Do you have any other documents? No. Submit button. Now we have uploaded all the documents, and they are saying return home if you want. In the same way, if you want to track your application you can click on the link and you can track the application as well.